3 days remain until the Apple event, and today, Apple revealed some startling new details regarding the upcoming iPhone. A leaked South Korean telecom spec sheet claims that before a phone is formally released, mobile network operators receive an internal technical paper from smartphone makers such as Apple, Samsung, and others. This list covers nearly every aspect of the iPhone 17 series. Let's start with the size first. The display sizes of the Pro models remain the same. A 6.3-inch screen will be included on the iPhone 17 Pro, while a gigantic 6.9-inch screen will be featured on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Apple's latest thin iPhone, the iPhone 17 Air, will have a 6.6-inch display, while the standard iPhone 17 will also have a 6.3-inch display. Crucially, all of the iPhones in this lineup will feature a promotion display that runs at 120 Hz. Although a high-density battery will be included with the iPhone 17 Air, Apple is also releasing a unique battery cover made specifically for this model. Although it won't come in the box, you can buy it from Apple as an add-on. This is when it becomes very frightening. A 48-megapixel telephoto camera with an 8x optical zoom and 8K video recording capabilities is included with the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max. Yes, the iPhone will soon support 8K video recording. Apple is obviously moving forward with this significant improvement, even though not many TVs are presently 8K enabled. The Pro models will be the only ones with the Apple A19 Pro chipset under the hood. The 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max iPhone models. Additionally, each of these will have 12 GB of RAM. However, the chip will not be available on the iPhone 17 Air. Because of its ultra-thin design, it will instead have the conventional A19 chipset. The vapor cooling chamber, which will be included in the Pro and Pro Max models, is another significant improvement that will aid with performance and thermal management. Details on battery sizes have also been provided. The battery of the iPhone 17 Pro Max will have a massive 5,000 mAh, while the iPhone 17 Pro will feature a 3,700 mAh battery. The conventional iPhone 17's battery capacity will remain same from the previous year, but the iPhone 17 Air will have a smaller 2,800 mAh battery. Moving on to the colors, light blue, sky blue, and light gold will be the available options for the iPhone 17 Air. As anticipated, the Pro models will now come in two brand new colors, deep blue and orange. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.